This is the camera version of a Labubu. Basically, it's a blind box with a little keychain camera that actually works. If you haven't seen these Kodak retro keychain cameras yet, I'm super excited to show you what this is. Now, I finally got my hands on the Kodak Charmera. It's a keychain camera. They come in these little blind boxes. They have 6 different basic designs. It's 1 to 6 odds that you can get one of the 6 base designs, and then 1 out of 48 is this cool clear version of the camera. Now, these are based off of the 1987 Kodak Fling. I remember seeing these when I was a youngster back in the 80s and 90s. Super cool, it's a vibe. For the older people out there, you probably remember this camera. Now, because it's a blind box, I do not know what is going to be inside. So I want to unbox this Kodak Charmera with you. Let's see which camera I end up getting. The cover box yellow is the one I think probably is what most people want. They do have the really cool red one, which I dig. The black one, the white and yellow are probably my favorites. The blue, not as much. The clear would be really cool just because of scarcity, but this is the camera version of a Labubu. You can shoot off a micro SD card, has 7 photo filter modes, including black and white, cold tone, warm tone, pixel filter yellow, pixel filter red, blue, and gray. It can shoot video as well as photos. It goes right to your micro SD. This thing weighs 30 grams. It is tiny. You can just attach it to your keychain, on your bag, wherever you want. I'm definitely gonna go around the city and take some photos. I think it's time to unbox it. Which one do you think I'm gonna get? Which one would you want? I'm pretty excited. Okay. I'm pretty happy about this one. Drum roll, please. 1. Nice. So I got the red one. Look at this thing. It weighs about 30 grams. The dimensions of this are tiny. Really cool. You put it on a keychain, take it with me. Comes with a little USB cable and a keychain. Need to be careful with the keychain. It's using a little clasp mechanism. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, a little risk of falling off. Either way, really cool. Love it. The red looks good. Kodak Charmera. Really neat. Excited to use it. USB-C charge. Micro SD goes in the bottom there. It's got your buttons on the top, front, back screen. Which color do you think you would want to get? I'm pretty happy with the red. Maybe I should get some more. Let me know down in the comments which color you think is the best. Stay tuned for some testing and we'll see how well this thing shoots.